Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mr. Tech Upgrader. Today video is about drone. First question: what is the first drone launched in India? The first drone in India was the unmanned aerial vehicle, which was developed by Defense Research and Development Organization in 1960s. This drone was used for reconnaissance and surveillance purpose. It was not until the 2010s that drone became more widely available for communication and recreation use in India. Second question: how many types of drones are there? Drones come in many different shapes and sizes, but they are mainly four multi-rotor drones. And these drones have multi-rotors, typically 4, 6, or 8, arranged in a symmetrical pattern. They are highly maneuverable and they can take off and land vertically. Multi-rotor drones are used for aerial photography, videography, and inspection. Fixed-wing drones. These drones have wings like aeroplanes and they are propelled by propellers. They are more efficient in flight than multi-rotor drones and they can cover long distance. Fixed-wing drones are used for aerial mapping, surveillance and deliveries. Single-rotor drones. These drones have single rotor and similarly to the helicopter, they are very maneuverable but less stable than multi-rotor drones. Single-rotor drones are used for aerial photography, videography, and research and rescue. Hybrid VTOL drones. These drones combine the best of both worlds with fixed wings for efficient flight and rotors for vertical takeoff and landing. They are used for variety of applications including aerial photography, videography, delivery, and surveillance. One question: use of drones in nowadays. Drones are being used in varieties of ways these days. Most common uses are photography, videography. Drones can be capture stunning aerial photos and videos that would be difficult or impossible to get from the ground. This is especially useful for real estate photographers and filmmakers. Delivery. Drones are being used to deliver packages, food, and other goods. This is especially useful in remote and hard to reach areas. Agriculture. Drones can be used to monitor crops, spray pesticides, and even plant seeds. That can be helpful for farmers to be more efficient and sustainable. Search and rescue. Drones can be used to search who are lost in danger. They can also deliver needs to people. Inspection. Drones can be used to inspect infrastructure such as bridges, power lines, and pipelines. This help to identify the potential problem before they become serious. Entertainment. Drone can be used for racing and other forms of entertainment. Fourth question: benefits of drones. Drones are versatile technology which has more benefits. Improved safety. Drones can be used to inspect dangerous or hard to reach areas such as power lines, bridges, construction sites. This can help to prevent accidents and injuries. Increased efficiency. Drone can be used to perform tasks that would be time consuming or difficult for humans. For example, they can be used to survey crops, delivery packages, and search for missing people. Reduced cost. Drone can be used to reduce cost of many tasks. For example, they can be used to collect data for research, monitoring environmental conditions, and inspect infrastructure. Enhanced creativity. Drones can be used to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. This can be used for variety of purpose such as marketing, real estate, and filmmaking. Fifth question. Top drone brands. Top drone brands are DJI. DJI is a leading brand in drone industry, offering a wide range of drones for different needs. Autel is another popular brand that offers high quality drones at competitive prices. Rise Tech is good option for beginners as the drones are relatively affordable and easy to use. Potensic is another budget-friendly option for beginners. Holy Stone offers variety of drones for different budgets. This is Kakala Charvikram Royal signing off.